Pinai-inhibit ng mga abogado ng SMNI ang tatlong opisyal ng National Telecommunications Commission o NTC sa kanilang kaso. Anila, walang aasahang hustisyang SMNI kung ang naturang mga NTC official ang naghain ng reklamo laban sa network at sila pa rin ang maglilitis at kabilang sila sa magpapasya sa kahihinatnan ng estasyon.
In this case, sila ang complainant, sila ang judge. So how can we expect justice? And part of due process is a cold neutrality of an impartial judge. And second, not only impartial but must appear to be impartial.
Parang judge yan na nag-file ng kaso at ang kaso nasa korte niya. May laban ba ka doon? In short, we cannot expect justice from the NTC in this case. The NTC is the judge, the NTC is the complainant, the NTC is the executioner. We cannot expect justice from the NTC.
Walang complaint, hindi ka na may alam kung anong violation para masagot namin. So that's why we are studying anong mga possible na pleadings na i-file namin. We will file the possible pleading, maybe we will file a motion for consideration and go to the higher court for on the ground that there's grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excess of jurisdiction.
Alam mo, parang wala naman ako nakikita na hindi sila mag-inhibit eh. Kasi it's right here, staring in your face. Kitang-kita eh. Hindi ko nga malaman kung bakit hindi nila napansin ito. Ito, korte, NTC, complainant, NTC.